Hi everyone. So today we will discuss how to add or set up environment variables in Windows operating system. So first of all, let's discuss when this problem occurs. Suppose we are setting up our system for some programming language, for example, Java, C++, Node.js, or any other programming language, or we need to install some additional command line tools that work with terminal, for example, MongoDB tools. For this tutorial, I am setting this PC for C, C++ programming language. We already installed C, C++ compiler from SourceForge. So as you guys know, MinGW is the best C, C++ compiler for Windows. I have already installed it. So when I go to the terminal and check whether it is installed or not, it gives us error. So let's jump to the terminal and see what will happen. So when I run command gcc dash dash version and hit enter, we get an error. The term gcc is not recognized or not defined. And let me show you where I have installed C, C++ compiler. In our PC, C drive, I have this folder mingw and it is already installed. So the issue is some programming languages automatically add environment variables to the operating system while other do not. Now let's see how to fix this issue. First of all, go to the installation directory where you have installed C, C++ compiler. In my case, I have installed it in this PC, C drive, and here I have mingw folder. Go inside the installation directory, and in installation directory you need to find the bin folder. In some cases we have bin directory while in other cases we don't have it. So if we have the bin directory, we have to go inside it, and when we are inside the bin directory we need to copy the address from the address bar and close this. Now navigate to the desktop where you have this PC icon and click Properties. In Properties, navigate to the Advanced System Setting. A dialog box will appear and click on Environment Variables. Now in new dialog box we have two types of variables, user variables and system variables. User variables are defined for current user and system variables is defined for the whole system. In system variable we need to find the path directory and click the edit button. In new window, we need to click the new button and enter the address here that we have copied from the address bar. Now click OK, OK and OK. If the terminal is already open, close it and open a new terminal. Now if we enter the same command gcc dash dash version, now you see it is working fine and not giving us the error and saying gcc version 6.3.0.1 is installed. So this is how we fix the environment variable in Windows operating system. Now see another example of MongoDB tools. Suppose I want to do a backup of my database. For this, I need to install MongoDB tools that are additional command line tools. You can download this visiting this link. I will add this link in the description. Navigate to this page, select the MSI package and hit the download button. Hitting the download button, setup is downloaded and you can install it using the setup. In my case, I have already installed it in my this PC, C drive, program files, MongoDB, tools, 100, and you guys can see here it is already installed. To take a MongoDB backup, I need to go to the terminal and here I need to run command mongo dump. Same issue, its environmental path is not set up. So to solve this, we need to go inside the bin directory, copy the address from address bar, go to the desktop, properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables. and locate the path variable under system variables. Click the edit, click new, and paste the address copied from the address bar here and click OK, OK, and OK. If the terminal is open, close it and open a new terminal and again run the same command mongo dump. It is connected to my database and it has created a backup of all the database. So this is how we solve environment variable in Windows operating system. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If this video helps you out, don't forget to share it with others. See you in the next video. Bye.